My role as a clinical nurse educator is to strengthen the nursing workforce, to serve as a role model, and to provide the leadership needed to implement the best evidence-based practice. Working alongside and in conjunction with ward managers, I support our nurses in their work, providing regular teaching sessions and clinical skills study days. I facilitate a 12-month programme designed to develop our newly registered nurses' confidence as an autonomous professional, refine clinical skills, values and behaviours, and help meet individual learning needs. All of our new registrants are assigned a preceptor to facilitate and support the transition into their new professional role in a diverse, ever-changing healthcare environment. Interaction with students and watching future nurses grow in confidence and skill is one of the most rewarding aspects of my job. My name is Jane Macdonald and I'm one of the clinical educators here at the RNOH.